Hello friends, we have seen how communication happens in IoT versus M2M, and in that how SDN plays a role, software defined networking, which is networking architecture which separates the control plane from the data plane, and software based controllers maintain a unified view of the network and make configuration management and provisional very simpler. The underlying infrastructure in SDN uses simple packets forwarding hardwares as compared to specialized hardware in conventional networks. And the key elements of SDN like centralized network controller with decoupled and controlled data planes uses centralized network controller. The network administrators can rapidly configure the network so wherever required. So by using this centralized network controller, the administrators can configure the network very speedily, and which is separating the control and data planes. This is done by using this centralized network controller. There are programmable open APIs. So SDN architecture supports this programmable open APIs for making interface or using interface between the SDN application and control layer. This interface is also called as northbound interface. So in SDN architecture, the programmable open API are used for interface between the SDN application and the control layers. The next key element of SDN is standard communication interface, OpenFlow. SDN architecture uses standard communication interface between the control and the infrastructure layer, and that is called as a southbound interface. OpenFlow is defined by the Open Networking Foundation, which is broadly accepted by SDN protocol for the southbound interfaces. So these are the three key elements of software defined networking architecture, where the northbound open API interface is used for communication between the application layer and control layer, whereas the OpenFlow or southbound open API interface is used for communication between the infrastructure layer and the control layer. This is how the SDN architecture works.